Got a fun day ahead of us today. We're gonna go check in with one of my crews from Elite Surfacing, who's enhancing some concrete on a builder grade porch. Today we're gonna have a look at one of our resin bound products, Crete Natural. A combination of beautiful marble stone and polyurethane binder that once placed creates a highly decorative and resilient surface. A fantastic product to enhance new and old concrete alike. Crete not only distributes product straight from the manufacturers, but we also offer installation services via our dealers throughout North America. Visit softcrete.com to find a dealer near you.